Another vlog yet again in the mountains. We're on the way to go and experience the sunrise up on Vandalens Peak. So we're almost at this peak. Literally, I think we're like 495 now kilometers up. So the whole elevation is about 900 meters, I think, above sea. What? That's the peak right there. So our guide for the tour, Mivo, honestly, no words there because this is literally a very short hike, but somehow he forgot the route. Now we went around some other way. So honestly, guys, yeah, no. So this is the most steep hike I've ever done. Like, oh my word. But the views here are incredible, man. But yeah. Yeah. You know, people said to us, no man, it's a very easy hike. We'll just get there in like 1 hour. It is now 6. We left the bottom there. You know what time? Literally at 4 a.m. Not 1 hour. Not 1 hour. Here he is smiling. This guy. A scam. Anyways, look at this view. Wow. But yeah, definitely. Is it worth the cost? Literally woke up at 3 a.m. and then got ready, had breakfast and stuff. And then we met at bottom at like 4 a.m. So we're going up now. Apparently we've got 1 minute left. I don't believe that. But anyways, we're there. There's steps at least. That's nice. The sun is out because Mivo is slow. A whole gym instructor. What is he saying? Carry me where? Yo, look at this. Look at this. Apparently it's 1 minute. They said it's a 1 hour hike. It's been 3 hours, 2 hours. Guys. We're reaching the top. 1 minute was correct. That is George Peak up there. I remember I did that hike about a year ago, literally. Also a challenging one, but easy depending on your fitness strength. But I mean, look at this. The sun is out. We're on the way down now. Quite a very scenic hike, I won't lie. But the way down, I'm really scared because it's really steep for one, and it's wet and slippery. Now, some scenes here won't be on camera because, hey, that's hectic. Just finished the hike. Boys, how are you feeling?
Yeah. No, I'm good.
was lying, he was crying, just saying,
Nice
yo,
and easy.
it's a long hike. I'm tired. Why did we park all the way there?
Nah. He was the one complaining.
Nah, Mookie, what do you say,
No,
Mookie?
I'm fine.
Now I'm feeling great.
Feeling great.
Ready
Going
for the
easy.
day.
Yeah.
Going easy, bro.
Gents, guys, if you've watched the vlog this far, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Sign out.